How do you change the EQ settings on the iPhone, which is of course for the equalizer on the iPhone? How does it work? Let me show you. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So the music app, the Apple Music, which you are likely using and listening the music through, can be changed or adjusted in the main settings app when you proceed to the apps at the bottom. So all of the apps are going to be listed there and their individual settings will be shown. And from the list, just look for the music. So you get to the music app as per usual, or if you want to change the settings there, but you'll be able to find the EQ. And the point is that that is the equalizer for the Apple Music and all of the songs which you have in your library. So if you, for example, prefer a different style, or if you want to reduce bass or change it to like focus on vocals or something else, right? This is how it can be set up, and it applies to the like every song on your in your library. So that is what you need to know about it. That's how it applies to the Apple Music. And of course, you can change it back and forth, or even turn it off if you don't ever want to use it again. Keep in mind, however, that there are more apps on the App Store which are like designed for the equalizer purpose, where you can like import your own sounds and music and change it specifically, play with it a little bit more professionally, but depends on how deep you want to go with it. Now, let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.